Hello, my name is Teresa Beneteau. Welcome to our website. I am the acquisition manager for our company. First of all, thank you for visiting. As a team, we have over 60 years combined experience in investing in real estate and in businesses. We actively buy land, multi-unit buildings, storage units, warehouses, houses, and businesses within the state of Florida. We are problem solvers. If you want to sell quickly without any hassles, you came to the right website. We offer quick closings and at no cost to you. We can buy the property as is, where is. Some common reasons why people turn to us is maybe the property is vacant, or maybe it was an inherited property. Maybe you have a problem tenants. Maybe there was a death or a serious illness. Maybe you're going through a divorce or a bad partnership. Maybe you want to retire and you want a quick sale. Maybe you don't have the money to continue your business since COVID. Maybe you're facing foreclosure. We can help you. We'll make you a fair offer, and if you choose to accept it, we'll send everything to your lawyer. We always do things legally and ethically. And also, you may ask yourself, why would we do this? Well, how do we make money? I'm glad you asked. We buy properties, we pay to bring them to their highest and best use and resell them at a profit. If you're looking for a win-win, all you need to do is fill out this form. More details, the better. And we look forward to serving you. Bye for now.